Good afternoon, folks. I wanted to show you a ideal that came to me from standing looking for some first aid supplies. I noticed this waterproof tape and a spark from that looking at it made me wonder if you took it and cut it into strips and then palmered it over itself onto a hook, could you make a grub along those lines? Now it is buoyant, and if you want it to sink, you're going to have to incorporate some wire or weight into the body, which would not be an extra hard step. If you want it to float or stay on the surface, don't bother. But simply palmering the tape strip. Now to make the head of the grub, I'm going to use some homebrew dubbing, poly dubbing. Then I'm going to finish it. And that is a very simple pattern. A very simple grub tied out of drugstore available material. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.